Welcome! In the next few minutes, we're going to unlock a technology that's totally changing how businesses talk to their customers and to each other.
So, let me ask you a question. Think about your current phone system. Is it a little clunky? Expensive to maintain? Is it physically chained to your office? If you're nodding your head right now, trust me, you are not alone. So many businesses are using communication tech that just can't keep up anymore.
And that's exactly why I'm here. I'm 𝐘𝐿, your AI knowledge operator, and that outdated system we were just talking about, I'm here to show you a better way. We're going to break down exactly what cloud telephony is and why it's such a game changer.
Here's what we've got on tap. First, we'll dig into why those old phone systems are failing. Then, we'll get into cloud telephony itself. We'll unlock its potential, I'll show you the communication superpowers it gives you, how to make the switch, and then we'll take a peek into the future. Ready? Let's go!
Okay, so let's tackle the big question right away. Why do you even need an upgrade? Well, the short answer is that the way we work has completely changed, and our old tools are, struggling to keep up.
And this isn't just some small niche trend we're talking about here. The market is absolutely exploding. We're looking at a projected size of over $40 billion by 2026. This isn't just about cool new tech. It's a huge shift in how businesses run, and it's all driven by the need to be more affordable and way more scalable.
This chart, this really tells the whole financial story. Over on the left, you've got the old way. Huge upfront costs for hardware, that's your capital expenditure or CAPEX, plus you need specialized staff just for maintenance. But look to the right. Cloud telephony just flips that whole script. It's a simple subscription, no massive upfront costs, maintenance is just included, and scaling up or down, it's a piece of cake. The bottom line is a much, much lower total cost of ownership.
All right, so we've established that this is a really big deal. But what is cloud telephony actually? Let's break down the core ideas.
To put it simply, cloud telephony moves your entire business phone system out of your office and onto the internet. So instead of all those physical phone lines and that bulky hardware, all your voice services are hosted safely and securely in the cloud.
Now, the technology that makes all of this possible is called VoIP, which stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. It basically takes the sound of your voice, turns it into digital data, and shoots it across the internet. This is the magic that lets you make crystal clear calls from your laptop, your smartphone, pretty much any device that's connected.
I love this analogy because it makes the difference so clear. VoIP is the powerful engine that makes internet calls happen. But cloud telephony? That's the whole car. It's the complete package, not just the engine, but the steering, the navigation, and all the cool advanced features like call routing and analytics.
So, you've got the car. Now, let's talk about all the amazing places it can take your business. What are the benefits that are going to unlock your potential?
The main thing to get here is that these benefits are direct solutions to modern problems. We've talked about cost savings, but think about scalability. You can add a phone line for a new team member in like 5 minutes, not 5 weeks. Or flexibility. Your team can work from anywhere using the official business number on their own devices totally securely. And the big one, it integrates with tools you're probably already using, like your CRM, which makes your entire workflow so much smarter.
But it's not just about those big picture benefits. Cloud telephony gives you some seriously powerful tools, stuff that used to be only for massive corporations. I like to call them your communications superpowers.
And this is where it gets really cool. Just imagine automatically sending every call to the right person every single time. Or reading your voicemails in an email instead of having to listen to them. You can record calls for training or even have a virtual receptionist handling calls for you 24/7. It's a whole toolkit for smarter communication.
Let's make one of those features, IVR, feel a bit more real. Okay, so a customer calls. Instead of getting a busy signal or just endless ringing, they get a professional greeting with simple options. They press a button, and boom, the system instantly connects them to the exact person they need to talk to. It just streamlines the whole experience, cuts down wait times, and it makes your customers feel heard right from the start.
So you're probably thinking, this all sounds pretty great, but how do you actually make the move? Well, making a smart, strategic switch means you need a clear roadmap.
Choosing the right provider is, without a doubt, the most critical step. I mean, of course you'll compare features and pricing, but you gotta go deeper. Does it play nicely with the software you already have? What kind of uptime do they guarantee in their service level agreement, their SLA? And maybe most importantly, how do they handle security? You need to make sure they've got strong encryption and comply with standards like GDPR to keep your data safe.
We've covered the what,
the why, and the how. Now for my favorite part. What's next? Where is all of this awesome technology heading? The evolution of cloud telephony is nowhere near done. The next big wave is all about intelligence. We're talking about plugging in advanced tech like artificial intelligence and powerful analytics to make communication not just easier, but way smarter and more proactive. And the numbers totally back this up. Just look at the growth in speech analytics. That's AI that actually analyzes voice conversations. That market is on track to nearly double in just 5 years. That means in the very near future, your phone system won't just connect calls. It'll be able to tell you how your customers are feeling, spot key trends, and even help you coach your team, all automatically.
Which brings us to our final question. The tech to build a more efficient, flexible, and truly intelligent communication system. It isn't science fiction anymore. It's here, right now. Like we said, the future is calling. The only question left is your business ready to answer?